My name is Isaiah Velasquez. I own Monterey Bay Heating and Cooling. We are located in Monterey County. I am physically located in Gonzales, California, and we service down south King City all the way up to Monterey, Pebble Beach, and Prudhoe. Here at Monterey Bay Heating and Cooling, we specialize in residential, commercial, light industrial, HVAC services, and installation. We electrify homes. We take out old gas appliances and we put in all electric heat pumps and electric ream heat pump water heaters. They save you money, it's cleaner energy, and less maintenance. I started my company back in 2022, just me and one truck. 2 years later, I have 2 trucks, 3 full-time people, and 3 part-time. I've been doing this for 10 years, and we're slowly growing, and we do about anywhere from 10 to 14 jobs a month, and it's steady climbing. I recently completed a heat pump installation in Carmel Valley. The client had 4 other contractors, said that the job was impossible to do. I came in, I looked at it, I knew we can do it. It was a hard one, but we got it done. We had to rebuild the whole air handler and put it piece by piece, but we got it done. She was very happy, especially when it was impossible to do. And she's referred us to a couple customers that we have now, and she gave us a really good review. We specialize in whole home electrification. We come in and we take your old gas appliances out, your old gas water heater, your old natural gas furnace, and we put in all electric heat pumps. It's cleaner energy, no fossil fuels. There are also rebates that are up to $8,000 based off income. We are a TechClean California contractor, and we are also a Ream Pro plumber. We are able to help you go green. Major heating and cooling installations can be very costly, which is why you want to take care of it before it becomes an emergency problem. We offer free estimates and virtual estimates in all of Monterey County and surrounding areas. We will take care of you. We treat everybody like family, so give us a call. We are here to serve you.